See if you can grab his beak.
No.
See if
Tickle.
you
The
grab
light's
his beak.
on the top of his head like that.
Oh.
Look at his tail.
Oh, is that nice?
He likes to scratch, you know, like you're scratching, say, like Danny's back up and down with your nails. He likes that.
How does we go?
Oh, is that nice, Alfie? Let's turn his head and everything.
See if you can get under his feathers.
Yeah, you can touch his bony feathers underneath.
His feathers will come up then if you get under it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
What?
hypnotised.
Oh my gosh.
He's hypnotised.
What?
So it lays down, doesn't it? So,
Yeah, just looks lay down. Is that nice, Alfie?
He's so trusting, isn't it?
you can have it for a grand if you want, because there's the money.
Oh.
Nice.
You've gone to sleep.
Oh my gosh.
Like the chicken in it when you...
I hypnotised the chicken.
Again. You chewing on my hair?